Hello my dear friends and welcome back to English with Apurva. I'm Apurva from UP and today I'm gonna show you my field, my small field, and from today is my day 1 and from today I will daily upload one video. I will be consistent on YouTube. Let's start and also learn new vegetables. I know many people know that kind of vegetable but they don't know how to say that in English. What's their name in English, how to pronounce that. So let's see. So first of all, coming here, as you can see, these are potato plants. And you know how to grow this? Like after a long time, potato gives some birds. Birds, like little bit birds come out. And you have to do is that you have to cut in between so that the birds should not be cutted. And then you have to put in line, like as you can see here my mom had made it. Now coming here, these are known as brinjals. These are known as brinjals. You can identify by the flowers. Here in UP, you will see everywhere there will be a brinjal. Now coming, there are lots of vegetables in my field. I will show you. So coming here, as you can see, these are known as radish plant. This is the bigger one, is known as radish plant. What we have to do is that we just have to pull that, and it's like one hand like structure. We just pull them and we cut them and we eat. Now coming to my next vegetable, these small ones, as you can see, these are known as coriander, that we say dhania in Hindi. Like in every vegetable you put some corianders, we sprinkle some corianders, and I like also so much coriander. Now coming here, as you can see, these are known as spinach. What do we do is that we make anything. You can do anything with that. You can just make juice of that and it's very healthy for you. We have planted lots of things in this small area, and also there you can see these are papayas. And one thing I also want to say, these papayas, we don't know it's male or female. If it will be female, so we will just like pull it and throw it up, because it will not give you fruit. When you will see lots of flower like yellow flowers, then you can understand that these are female. The male one like little bit small, very small, its shape will come, and then you can understand that this is male. I will show you another thing also. As you can see here, these are mulberry tree. This is mulberry tree, and there are lots of mulberry trees in our village. So there were lots of, but we threw up because it's too much, and when it grew up it can harm our this wall. And coming to next one, this, as you can see, this is known as tulsi plant. So guys, these were all the things that I show you. This was my small field and I showed you everything that's in this area. And there is the big area and there are much more vegetables also there. Here was also a mulberry tree, but we have cutted that. And you should also plant more plants. It's good for our environment, and if you are living in village, you will see everywhere lots of plants. It gives you oxygen. And if you also have this kind of fields, like small fields, you can comment below. And if you have any doubt in today's video, you can comment below. I will tell you the answer. I'm just like practicing everything. I'm just like explaining everything that was here. I will show you tomorrow there. And there are also lot of plants, but it's now becoming too much big video. That's why I'm pausing it. And I hope you liked today's video. If you liked my video, then don't forget to like the video and also subscribe my channel and support me so that I can make every day a video for you. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, and I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.